Ever wanted to skyrocket your marketing game with secrets very few know about? Today, we're uncovering the power of Fiverr's affiliate tools and resources that could triple your growth overnight. Stay tuned or miss out on turning your strategies into gold. Picture this: while browsing Fiverr, you find a service ideal for your audience. How amazing would it be to lead your followers straight to that page and earn commissions? Enter Fiverr's link generator. It's a game changer for marketers, enabling you to create custom affiliate links to any Fiverr page. No more generic promotions. Tailor your links to resonate with your audience's needs and interests, boosting relevance and effectiveness. Now, think about how each one of these custom links serves as a pinpointed recommendation from you to your audience. For example, if your followers are mainly small business owners seeking logo design services, you can create a link that directs them exactly to Fiverr's top-rated logo design gigs. It's like handing your audience a curated list of services, vetted by someone they trust you. Crafting these links is surprisingly straightforward. You use the link generator tool on Fiverr's affiliate dashboard, enter the URL of the Fiverr page you want to promote, and voila, you have a custom affiliate link ready to share with your audience. This simple process amplifies your marketing strategies, optimizing your affiliate efforts, and potentially tripling your growth almost overnight. It's a powerful way to add value for your audience while enhancing your affiliate marketing game. And how exciting is it to think about the different ways you can use these links to create a more relevant and engaging experience for your audience? What specific Fiverr service do you think your followers would love to discover? Imagine being able to see the impact of your affiliate marketing efforts unfold in real time. That's right, every single click, conversion, and dollar earned, displayed right before your eyes on a sleek, intuitive dashboard. This isn't the stuff of fantasy. It's the reality of employing a cutting-edge performance tracking dashboard designed for affiliates like you. Here's the gist. Sharing a link is like planting a seed. You nurture it, hoping it will grow. But without insight, you're gardening blindly. Enter the performance tracking dashboard. It illuminates every link, revealing growth and conversion rates, helping you nurture successful ones into towering trees of revenue. Now you might be wondering, how does this actually work? Imagine logging into your dashboard and seeing a clear, concise graph tracing the path of your campaigns from clicks to conversions. You can pinpoint exactly which affiliate links are your golden geese and which ones, well, aren't quite living up to their potential. This real-time feedback loop enables you to swiftly adjust your strategies, double down on what works, and phase out what doesn't, maximizing your earning potential. But the real magic happens when you start experimenting with different types of content and promotions based on the data you're seeing. It's a game changer. Suddenly, you're not just shooting arrows in the dark, hoping to hit a target. You're a sharpshooter, adjusting your aim with precision, knowing exactly where to focus your efforts for maximum impact. Now, I'm curious, have you ever experienced a moment where a piece of data completely shifted your approach to affiliate marketing? Share your stories in the comments below. I can't wait to hear how data has transformed your strategy. Picture this: you're planning to promote a brand new product. You've got the passion, the vision, and the product. But how do you make sure your promotional materials aren't just another drop in the ocean of online advertising? The secret? Customization. It's not just about slapping a logo on a banner anymore. It's about creating promotional content that speaks to your audience, that tells a story, and most importantly, showcases your brand's unique identity. Imagine crafting banners, email headers, and social media posts that not only grab attention, but also resonate deeply with your audience. Customizable promotional materials make it possible. You can tweak colors, fonts, and imagery to match your brand's style and message. It's more than aesthetics. It's about building a connection. When your audience encounters materials that reflect your brand, they're more likely to engage, remember, and respond. But here's the real kicker: engagement. With customization, you're not just reaching out to your audience, you're inviting them into a conversation. By aligning your promotional materials with your brand identity, you create a familiarity, a sense of trust. This isn't just advertising, it's building a relationship. And in today's digital age, that relationship is key to engagement. Now I want you to think about the last piece of promotional material that really caught your attention. Was it the colors, the font, or perhaps the way the message was tailored to you? How did it make you feel about the brand? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. In today's digital marketplace, standing out is more than just having a flashy logo or a catchy tagline. It's about creating an entire experience around your brand that captivates and connects with your audience. And what better way to do this than through customized promotional materials? Think about it. When was the last time a generic flyer or website banner caught your eye? Probably never, right? That's where the magic of Fiverr comes in. Fiverr offers an ocean of opportunities to elevate your brand with a variety of promotional materials, each customizable to ensure they truly represent your brand's voice and vision. Starting with banners, these aren't just any banners. We're talking about customizable designs available in a plethora of sizes that can be strategically placed on your website or blog, capturing the eye of your visitor the moment they land on your page. But why stop there? Imagine the impact of an email header that's not only visually appealing but speaks directly to your recipient, making every email you send out a potential connection rather than just another item in their inbox. And in the realm of social media, where attention spans are notoriously short, having a post that stands out because it beautifully reflects your brand's identity can mean the difference between a scroll past and a like, share, or follow. Each of these tools offered by Fiverr isn't just a piece of promotional material. It's a bridge to your audience, inviting them into your world in a way that feels personal, engaging, and above all, genuine. Now imagine coupling these materials with the right strategy to not only capture attention, but to keep your audience engaged long enough to hear what you have to say. The key lies in not just showcasing your brand, but telling its story in a way that resonates. What kind of story would you tell with these tools at your disposal? What unique elements of your brand would you want to highlight with a banner, an email header, or a social media post? Share your ideas in the comments below, and let's explore the endless possibilities together. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In today's digital era, promotional resources serve as vital connections between your brand and the world. Fiverr offers a range of top-notch, customizable promotional materials, with videos standing out as powerful engagement tools. Imagine short, captivating clips showcasing Fiverr's offerings in a way that's irresistible to your audience. Perfect for social media's visual-centric platforms, these videos convey messages quickly and effectively. They're tailored to highlight Fiverr's services, weaving stories that address viewer needs and aspirations. Whether it's simplifying services or building trust through testimonials, each clip contributes to a comprehensive picture of Fiverr's offerings. Now, here's a question for you. How could leveraging these video resources transform the way people perceive your brand or service? In the bustling online marketplace, standing out can feel like trying to be heard at a rock concert. But what if you had a megaphone? Fiverr's promotional resources act just like that, amplifying your brand's voice. Imagine widgets, those interactive tools, as more than just digital flair for your website. They are gateways, inviting your audience to explore the vast services Fiverr offers right from your platform. Picture your website, sleek and professional, and there it is, an eye-catching widget showcasing Fiverr's world-class freelancers. It's not just an add-on, it's an experience seamlessly integrating with your site, enhancing your brand's value by offering additional resources. Why stick to the basics when you can go beyond? These widgets transform your site from a static page into a dynamic marketplace, a bridge connecting your audience directly to Fiverr's services without navigating away from what you have to offer. By featuring examples of Fiverr's services, you're not just displaying options, you're providing solutions directly on your site. This isn't just about making a sale, it's about enriching your user's experience, making your website a one-stop shop for all their needs. Now imagine the potential reach and impact of utilizing such a tool. It's about creating an ecosystem where your brand and Fiverr's services coexist, complementing each other and offering unparalleled convenience to your visitors. Isn't it incredible how a simple widget can transform the entire user experience? What kind of impact do you think integrating Fiverr's widgets into your website could have on your audience's engagement and your brand's visibility?